Hello everybody, welcome to Photoshoott channel, and today we're just going to talk about something very personal to us. People ask us, why don't you do video as well? Why can't you do both? I mean, you will capitalize, you will get more clients. Yes, we will stretch ourselves thinner, but we will get more business. And there's a good enough reason. And me and my partner, when we formed this company, we have difference of opinion on some things, but we see eye to eye on also many things, and this is one of them. When we formed the company, we both love photography. Why photography? It's one moment in time. Photography, a picture tells a story. If your picture doesn't tell a story, maybe it's not a good enough picture. Your picture tells the entire story from beginning to an end. A viewer tells the story for picture. Now, in video, and it works for some people enjoy the creativity aspect of it, and there's a lot that goes in, a lot of skill. I give a lot of credit to the videographers. But you shoot 4 hours, 10 hours of video, and then you cut it and you create this something beautiful out of all that video. With photography, it's split second in time, and that's what we love about it. It's the entire story in split second. Subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, tell us what you think, tell us what you want to see on our channel, and like this video. Thank you and have a great day.